Researchers who work in this field are absolutely working towards really good ways to fingerprint a true human voice and to try to differentiate between a, a deep fake generated human voice and a real human voice. From working in security, as long as I have, that will be overcome. And then the researchers will take another step to thwart the bad actors, and it will continue towards some theoretical limit of whatever. The limit does not exist in perpetuity. And I think that is the case with any battle you fight in security or real wars, is that there is gradual escalation. And it's when you're engaged in a cat and mouse game, it's almost like it never ends.